Hello everyone, myself Karanpatel. Welcome to Python basic tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install Jupyter without Spyder and how to install any other libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Jupyter. To install the Jupyter notebook, open command prompt. You will see here the path of Python and just write pip install Jupyter notebook. Make sure that spelling of Jupyter notebook is correct. Press enter. And you find this procedure of installation. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet connection. After done the procedure, you will get the again path of the Python. More time consuming because of internet connection, and here we go. You will see here the Python path correction. After that we install NumPy library. Just write the syntax pip install NumPy. Press enter. The requirement is already satisfied. Now we install Pandas. This require already satisfied. Now we get the list of all libraries which is installed by pip. To get the list of this, write pip list and enter. You can see here my Python install this much amount of libraries. If you want to install any other libraries, just write pip install and library's name into the module name. Thank you. That's it for the day, guys. Thank you.